Gates open for the 1998 Pepsi Grand Futurity Stakes race. We have Jaguar jumps 40-year lead. And making the first turn for the first time, we have Jaguar leads in the early part of the race, followed by Chief Navigator in between horses. Running on the outside is entry number 4, that's Kissing Bandit. Then comes Honey Rider. On the outside is Chacha's Dream, which is the early trailer. And passing before the winner's circle, we have entry number 1, Jaguar, by about 2 lengths. Followed by Kissing Bandit in second, while Chief Navigator drops back to third. Chacha's Dream now moving up to take fourth, and Honey Rider now running at the tail of the field. And it's still Jaguar now opening up by about 3 lengths over Kissing Bandit in second. Chief Navigator remains in third. Moving up to take fourth is Honey Rider, while Chacha's Dream is still in last position. About to pass the last 900 meters of this race, and it's still Jaguar by about 3 lengths, followed by the Grey Galloper Kissing Bandit. Chief Navigator now trying to get closer in third, followed further back by Honey Rider, while Chacha's Dream is still in dead last. And at the fourth turn, it's still Jaguar pulls through by about 4 lengths. Kissing Bandit remains in second. Chief Navigator remains in third. About to pass the last quarter-mile pole, and it's still Jaguar by only 2 lengths. Kissing Bandit now trying to get closer in second together with Chief Navigator. They are now entering the final bend and into the home stretch. Jaguar still hanging on that length lead. Kissing Bandit is on the outside. Chief Navigator by the rail. And down the stretch they come, and it's still Jaguar running in between horses. On the outside, Kissing Bandit, Chief Navigator. And leading the pipeline, it's going to be an upset for entry number 4, Kissing Bandit. Second number 1, Jaguar, Chief Navigator, Honey